Hey you guys, welcome back to Life Adventures and Keto. My name is Michelle. I am bringing you an unboxing today, so stick around and see what kind. Hey you guys, welcome back to Life Adventures and Keto. My name is Michelle. I am back from vacation. I am super tired. My bags have bags, but my soul is full, right? So this box came from Lorri Fluffynomo. I won her giveaway. I received this the day before I left to go out of town for vacation. So I took it with me. So it has traveled. This box came to me because I won Lorri Fluffynomo's giveaway. It came to me in Tennessee. I took it with me to Georgia, hoping I would get a chance to open it. But here it sits, all still packaged, and it's going back to Tennessee. Coming soon. This box has traveled from wherever Lorri is to me here in Tennessee, down to Georgia and back to Tennessee. And I still haven't been in it yet. So let's see what we have today. Michelle, let's see. So, let's see where her purse is. Michelle, thanks so much for being a loyal subscriber to my channel and always supporting me. I hope you enjoy your giveaway package. If there's anything here that you didn't like or can't use, please feel free to re-gift it. Thanks again and congrats, Lorri Fluffynomo. All right. I needed one of those, Lorri. How did you know? It's a meat chopper. Farm fresh. Aw, and I do have farm fresh eggs, for sure. Time for tea. English breakfast tea. There are 10 tea bags in here. Aw, and then a pretty tin to use afterwards. Farm fresh. Hand-picked pumpkins daily, 100% organic. Aw, that is so cute, Lorri. Aw. 2021 Farmers Market calendar. No, red trucks. A water tumbler. Isn't that pretty? An animal planter. That is so cute. It's a fox. Isn't that so cute? Flora the fox. Okay, you guys, so there's the unboxing. What did you think? That was a great giveaway prize. Everything in this box will be utilized, Lorri. I'm going to put her link in the description below so you can go check out Lorri's channel. She is one of the ones who inspired me to start my own channel. So, thank you so much for coming back, Keto On and Keto Strong, and I will see you guys tomorrow.